Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to bulk import learning outcomes to Waliku Admin. Before we begin, please keep in mind that the fields and data requirements for learning outcomes might vary according to your specific use case, needs, and project requirements. Now, let's start. First, you will have to log into Waliku Admin, and then after logging in, click on School Management, and then click on Import Data. Okay, now on the select import type, select learning outcome, select the country, select the province or state, select the district, and select the school. For example, I will be importing the learning outcomes for test class 1. Now, click on generate. Template file generation completed, click on OK. Now, download the learning outcome template from here. Okay, once the file finished downloading, open it. Okay, so this is what the template looks like. Again, please note that the fields and data requirements might vary based on your specific use case, need, and project requirements. Okay, in this case, we have the student name, we have the current class, assessment type, and the subjects. Okay, for the assessment type, I will type in end of semester test. Now let's try to fill in the grade for each subject. Okay, once you're finished, apply borders for all of the cells by clicking on this triangle here, and then on the border, select all borders. Now save it and go back to Waliku Admin. Now click on choose file, select the file that we just edited, click on open. Now click on import. File import completed, click on OK. Here you can see that learning outcome import processed and the status is completed. Now you can verify if the learning outcome is actually completed and processed by clicking on the school management, click on manage learner, select the country, the province or state, the district, the school name, the grade, and the class name. Okay, now click on submit. Here you can see the list of the students or the learners of test class 1. Now click on the learning outcome icon here. And here you can see that the end of semester test assessment is imported. Okay, and that is how to bulk import learning outcomes in Waliku Admin.